Welcome to the Crystal Windows and Door Systems video series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to tilt, remove, and reinstall sashes for hung windows. For tilt double hung windows, both the upper and lower sashes can be opened, tilted, and removed. For tilt single hung windows, only the lower sash can be opened, tilted, and removed. Here are general rules for tilting, removing, and reinstalling sashes. The lower sash must be tilted first before the upper sash can be tilted. The lower sash must be removed first before the upper sash can be removed. The upper sash must be reinstalled and tilted back up first before the lower sash can be reinstalled and tilted back up. How to tilt a vinyl hung sash. Unlock all sash locks on the meeting rail by flipping them to the right. For the lower sash, raise the sash a few inches above the sill. For the upper sash, lower the sash a few inches below the head. Slide both tilt latches towards the middle to tilt the sash. Caution: tilt sashes on a horizontal plane only. Both pivot lock shoes must be at the same height. Tilting a sash along an angled plane, in which both pivot lock shoes are at different heights, can damage the tilt mechanism. How to remove a vinyl hung window sash. Tilt the sash until it is parallel with the floor. Make sure both pivot bars are disengaged from their pivot lock shoe. Check for gaps on both sides of each pivot bar. If you do not see gaps, the pivot bar may still be engaged with its lock shoe. Grasp the sash dials with both hands. Lift one side higher to free the pivot bar from its pivot lock shoe. Angle the sash until the removed pivot bar is no longer inside the jamb. Then slide the other pivot bar from its pivot lock shoe. The sash is now removed. How to reinstall and tilt back a vinyl hung sash. Grasp the sash with both hands and angle one side higher than the other. Insert the lower side's pivot bar into its lock shoe. Make sure the higher side's pivot bar can enter the jamb. Ensure both pivot bars are fully inside their respective pivot lock shoes. Then tilt up the sash back into the frame. Make sure you hear both tilt latches snap into the frame.